Security is critical for every organization. Foxit PDF Editor is built on 4 protection layers: security, privacy, compliance, and reliability, so you can confidently work with PDFs. Foxit protects documents across their lifecycle, and organizations can rely on each protection layer. Some PDFs restrict actions like printing, editing, or copying. I can start by checking what I'm allowed to do. I can access the same security details directly from the Protect tools. To prevent unauthorized access, I use password protection and permission controls. I'll go to Protect, Secure Document, then Password Protect. I can require a password to open the file or restrict changes after it's opened. In Permissions, I control whether others can print, copy, comment, or edit the document. For accessibility, I'll keep text access for screen readers enabled. Under Encryption settings, I'll choose the encryption level and whether document metadata is encrypted. If I'll reuse these settings, I can save them as a security policy for other PDFs. This is ideal for securing financial reports, internal documents, and sensitive project files. For stronger, recipient-based access control, I encrypt PDFs using certificates. Certificate encryption lets me assign access per individual. Only recipients with the correct private key can open the file. To add a recipient, I can create or import a digital ID. I can import a certificate from the Windows Certificate Store or browse for one on disk. I can choose to create a new digital ID now and select the PKCS number 12 format. After entering the required information and setting a password, I'll finish creating the ID. Back in the recipient list, I'll select the ID and set document permissions. I'll then select the encryption level and apply the protection. Certificate security can be updated later from Security Properties. To remove certificate protection, I'll remove security or set the method to No Protection. If I frequently apply the same rules, I'll create reusable security policies. I'll create a new policy, choose password or certificate security, set restrictions, and save it. To reuse it, I'll apply the policy to another PDF and save. Foxit also supports Azure Information Protection for organizations using Microsoft Rights Management. AIP extends rights management to PDFs by applying access templates and usage restrictions. Before sharing a PDF externally, I can remove hidden data to prevent information leaks. Foxit scans for metadata, comments, attachments, hidden text, layers, scripts, and more. I'll review the results, click OK, and save. The document is now clean and privacy safe. Sanitize document also removes multimedia added with audio and video, so use it carefully. Foxit can prompt automatic hidden data removal when closing or emailing files. I'll enable removal on close or email, and Foxit prompts me automatically when needed. To permanently remove sensitive content, I'll use Redaction. I'll mark text or areas, review the marks, then apply redactions to erase them completely. Redacted content is permanently deleted, so I'll double-check before applying. For repeated PII, I'll use Search and Redact to find names, IDs, or keywords across the document. After redacting, I'll sanitize the document to remove remaining hidden information. As an alternative, Whiteout under Protect also permanently removes content and replaces it with white. Beyond document security, Foxit protects your system through trust settings. Here, I can control scripts, attachments, internet access, trusted locations, and certificate trust lists. Safe reading mode blocks unauthorized actions and reduces risk from suspicious PDFs. When a PDF attempts a restricted action, Foxit prompts me to allow or deny it. These tools help organizations meet compliance needs like GDPR, HIPAA, and FERPA. Foxit's documented security practices and certifications are available in the Trust Center. Reliable performance is another key protection layer. Foxit opens large PDFs quickly, scrolls smoothly, and saves changes consistently. Across teams like finance, legal, and healthcare, this layered approach keeps documents secure and workflows moving. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.